Yes, welcome to another vlog. Welcome to another video. Welcome to another vlog. Another video with me right now. I hope you are doing fine. I hope you are doing great. I hope you are doing amazing things. I hope you are doing wonderful things wherever you are around the world. I'm back again with another vlog, another video for you. But this one, I stepped outside of the house. I'm at another section of the house, another corner of the house, where I want to talk about something very controversial. So this is the story. This is the story. My girl, my girlfriend, a South African, my South African girlfriend, want to come to Zimbabwe, but I don't want. But I don't want. My girlfriend in South Africa, a Sutu, a Sutu, wants to come to Zimbabwe to see me, to have a time with me in my country, but I don't want here to come. I hope you are surprised. I hope you are shocked. Why I'm taking that decision, why I'm thinking about that decision to say I don't want it to come. So she told me that I want to come to Zimbabwe to see Zimbabwe, to see how you are doing. Please, can you make it possible for me? Can you finance? Can you give me the funds, everything for the journey so that I can come to Zimbabwe, whether coming by bus or coming by airplane, by road or flying, so that I can come to Zimbabwe and see you. But myself, I'm against that move. I'm against that movement. I don't want. Why? Why I don't want? I don't know. But I'm against that. So she told me, practically speaking, that I want to come to Zimbabwe. She told me that when my boyfriend, you know South Africa, you've been here in South Africa for for a long time. Many times, for a long time, you know South Africa, everything, all the towns of South Africa, all the cities of South Africa. But now I don't know Zimbabwe, so I want to come there to Zimbabwe. Since when you are now based in Zimbabwe, you relocated to Zimbabwe. I want to come there and see you, and see your country, and see your people, and see the Shona people, see the Ndebele people, see the economy of Zimbabwe, see everything happening in Zimbabwe. But I don't want. I'm against that. I don't want. I'm against that move. Why? Why? So I've been to ask myself, or maybe as I'm doing this video, as you're listening to this video, you begin to wonder why I don't want here to come. Mm, I know, yeah, you're wondering, you're pondering in your mind, in your brain, Kudzi Matziro, why don't you want here to come and see you and see your country? Why? Tell us, tell us the reasons. So I'm here outside the house at this other corner where I can talk about this secret, on this other corner to talk about all these secrets of my life. So is it something that is financially related? Is it something that is economically related? Is it something that is politically related? Why I don't want it to come? Is it something that is financially related, economically related, or even politically related, or socially or culturally related? Why I don't want it to come? Uh, I don't know. Is it because of money, finances? Is it because of culture? Is it because it's not the right time for it to come? Is it because I'm planning something? Is it because maybe I have another girl in this country? Is it because I have another woman, another girlfriend in this country? I don't know. And I don't think so. So why don't I want her to come and see me? If I truly like her, if I truly love her as my girlfriend, as my future woman, as my wife to be, as my fiancée, why I don't want her to come? Why? For what reason? For the reason why? Is it money? Culture? Is it what? So, but the bottom line from me is that I don't want it to come now. I think it's not the right time. I think it's too early. I wanted to come not now, but later on. Later on, not now, not this year, not this month, not today, not this week. I wanted to come some other time, not now. So this is the other video where I'm just sharing with you my other piece of life, my other side of life, in terms of my relationships. So she want to come to Zimbabwe to see me, to see the country, to see all everything that happens in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe. She's never been here. She doesn't know Zimbabwe from the TV, from the books, from stories around her friends, around her classmates when she was at the university. And just from the social media, just from the digital media, just from the print media. That's how she knows Zimbabwe. So her idea about Zimbabwe or her mindset or mentality about Zimbabwe and Zimbabweans has been shaped and modeled by the books, by the TV, by the digital media, by the social media, by the words and statements from her friends and classmates at the university. That's how she knows Zimbabwe, just from this angle, this sides that I've just mentioned before you. The TV, the books, social media, digital media, print media, yeah, the friends, classmates. That's how she knows Zimbabwe. That's her idea about Zimbabwe has been shaped through these angles, via these dimensions. Now she want to come, practically speaking, she want to come and see Zimbabwe for herself. But I don't want. But I'm against that. And phone, and phone 2222 and phone. What are your comments? What are your thoughts, your views, your opinions? Can you discuss this issue in the comment section down below? Like I said, why I don't want it to come? Is this something to do with money or culture? Is it politically related, economically related? Is it maybe spiritually related? Or it's about timing? It's about the time. But the bottom line, I don't want it to come. No, no, no. I don't want. She must stay there. Do I have another woman here? Do I have another girl here? Do I have another lady here? Do I have another girlfriend here? I don't know. And I don't think so. But I don't want it to come. So this is another story, another secret. So I just stepped outside the house in this other jungle, in this corner, gentleman's corner, gentleman's section, just to say out these secrets, just to discuss with you these secrets, or to bring to your attention these secrets of my life. But she want to come for real. She want to see Zimbabwe for real. In fact, she want to do a Zimbabwe tour, across all the towns of Zimbabwe, across all the cities of Zimbabwe. She want to see Harare, Bulawayo, Mutare, Kwekwe, Kadoma, Chekutu, Bindura, Guruwe, Mvorwe, St. Albans, Rushinga, Mount Darwin, Gutu, Mashingo, Mvuma. She want to see all these towns, Gweru. She want to see all these towns and cities, like a Zimbabwe tour. So, hey, it's going to be a big, big, big move. Going to be a big activity, big movement. But I don't want it to come. Not now, but sometime later on. Thank you so much for listening. Any comments, write in the comment section, whatever you think, whatever you view this, my story. See you in the next video, in the next vlog. I'm signing out now. Remember to pray. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. My name is Kudzima Zero. If you are new here on this channel, I'm signing out now. Remember to drink water. It's healthy for your body. Sharp.